So OnePlus is no stranger to collaborations. We've seen a Star Wars collaboration and we've seen a few McLaren collaborations with OnePlus. This time around, OnePlus has collaborated with Genshin Impact for the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition. This box is supposed to have a lot of fun things inside it. So let's quickly unbox it and see what it looks like. So this color of the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition is called the Electro Violet color. And on the back you can see it has a silk sort of finish. So it's a soft finish and it does have electro etching in there with this pattern, which looks really nice. Now in the box are also some custom Genshin Impact accessories, including a phone case, a phone stand, some pins and some stickers, all of which are Keqing themed. And then you also have a lightning stiletto SIM ejector, which looks really nice and can also go in the stand-up, which is an area where you can set all of these things up. And then you also have the glinted lightning 100-watt Superbook charger along with the glinted lightning cable, which both custom and specific to this particular variant of the phone. Now within the phone you do have Oxygen OS, which has been customized with the Genshin Impact theme, and it has also been optimized for better gaming and specifically for Genshin Impact. So this will give you one of the best experiences for the game, and this is the second time OnePlus has done this. They did it with the last generation OnePlus 11 as well. So you do have the second generation of the Genshin Impact collaboration, and this time around it goes in a lot deeper. Now of course you do have things like ringtones.
Morning. Time to set the tone for the rest of the day. So if you're still feeling sleepy, shake it off.
So that's the alarm. There's another alarm.
I'm all for work-life balance, but I think this is pushing it. Come on, enough procrastinating. Let's go. In adventuring, as in business, you always have to seize the opportunity while it's there.
So that's the second alarm, and then you also have a ringtone.
We live in an era of change, as the old order that has existed for 1,000 years is about to be rewritten.
And custom animations for the fingerprint sensor, along with a lot of different icons, wallpaper, and also the live background, which shows up in the lock screen, which looks really nice. Now you also have an always-on display, which has been customized with the Genshin Impact theme. And then you also do have a charging animation, which is custom to this phone as well, which looks absolutely brilliant. You also have this sort of prop-up area that you can pop some stickers on this. Now you can prop this up like this. So you have this OnePlus standee that you can sort of put in here if that's something that you're looking for. So when you sort of close this thing up, it creates like a little sort of show area. So if you're a collector, if you're somebody who's a fan, this is excellent for that. And then this card is also over here, which is magnetic, and it can go back on top of this. So pretty cool over there. So the phone at the outset remains the same as the OnePlus 12R. So in terms of specifications and features, it's basically the same phone, and you're just getting a collaboration with the Genshin Impact. But if you want to check out our review of the device, we have already done it. So you can click on the banner on the top right, or we leave it in the description below, so that from a specs and performance point of view, you can go check out the OnePlus 12R. Pretty nice looking phone. I actually really like the color. You also have a design on the back glass here as well. As a collector, if you collect limited edition phones, it's great. If you're a fan of the game, it's pretty good for that as well. And then you also have this pin that comes in the box, and a whole set of pins and stickers. Or as a fan of the game, these things may be really valuable to you. So what are your thoughts on this device? Let us know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.